Greater Chennai Corporation is bringing out many innovative campaigns to reach out to the public. Okay, so Greater Chennai with the collaboration with the Greater Chennai Corporation is able to create this kind of installation this time, and because more people are not getting into the vaccine thing, they have a fear. Okay, basically they have a fear. So, yeah, and especially from the how to say, the media inaccessible community. Okay, so I wanted to reach them. So these kind of art installations and innovative campaigns will definitely make them understand how vaccines are important, and also they will definitely tend to put the vaccine, and so that we could get back to the normal life, right? So in order to create, as an artist, I brought out this installation, and as I said, the Tamil Nadu government as well as the Greater Chennai Corporation is very keen on this vaccine campaigns, and to make people understand, and no more than that, to implement all the plans. Okay, what they wanted to put the vaccine to bring back the community to the normal life.
This is an interim report which is sub judice. It has been given to the court in terms of the mandate that was given to us, and we've done part of the work and submitted that as was required. It's an ongoing process, and therefore, until the final report is out, it's difficult to say one way or the other what the final report is actually going to say.
So, sir, basically, as it was stated that there was a discrepancy or there was exaggeration of suppose at least 4 times exaggeration. So, was it written or was it mentioned in the report, or what is, because that is what the controversy has been surrounded with. So, I just want to clear it off, sir.
So, if you go through the report, you'll see that oxygen requirement is a dynamic process, and therefore the requirement will change from day to day and from time to time as the pandemic behaves, and therefore the needs and what was being supplied will vary, and therefore that is what the report has tried to bring out in terms of using the formula which is available and which the government of India also use as to what would be the need for oxygen, considering the number of beds, ICU beds and routine beds that are there at a given point in time, and what is the demand that is being made. So that calculation has also been shown in the report, and the table also shows what was the actual consumption and what was the demand made. And based on that, interpretation can be drawn. But like I said, it's sub judice, it is there on the table, and you can see how it has varied from day to day. So that is also given in the report in terms of the hospitals that responded and in terms of their beds and ICU beds that they had and their supposedly purported oxygen consumption. And it was obvious that there was it was not matching, that considering the number of beds that you have and the number of ICU beds that you have, your oxygen consumption seemed to be disproportionate. So I'll say that the report is still interim. Secondly, the requirement of the oxygen requirement and what was actually used has been shown there, and the discrepancy has been there. It's not correct to say that it was less or more, because that is something which is dynamic and has been mentioned in the report. So I think an unnecessary controversy is being created that it was more than this or less than that. The report clearly mentions it, and if someone needs clarification, they can look at the interim report or wait for the final report.
ट्रैवल करती हूँ। मेरा एक्सपीरियंस बहुत अच्छा रहा है अब तक, क्योंकि जो व्यू देखने को मिल रहा है वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा ही अमेजिंग है। और अभी मानसून का सीजन चल रहा है, तो आई फील दिस इज़ द बेस्ट इंडियन रेलवे हैज़ गिवन टू अस टिल नाउ, सो थैंक यू टू इंडियन रेलवे।
पूरे परिवार के साथ सफ़र कर रहा हूँ। रेलवे का मैं धन्यवाद करना चाहूँगा कि इस तरह का एक्सपीरियंस पहली बार भारत में हम लोगों को देखने को मिल रहा है, जो अक्सर बाहर के देशों में देखने को मिलता है। इसका रूम काफ़ी अच्छा है, मेरा बेटा काफ़ी एंजॉय कर रहा है, मेरी वाइफ एंजॉय कर रही है, हम पूरे लोग एंजॉय कर रहे हैं। भारतीय रेल, पीयूष गोयल जी और केंद्रीय सरकार को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
सर, आज सुरक्षा का काफी पुख्ता इंतजाम किया गया है। जो संयुक्त किसान मोर्चा ने जो ऐलान किया था राज्यपाल को ज्ञापन देने का, इंटेलिजेंस अलर्ट भी था, तो क्या सुरक्षा को लेकर क्या मुख्य इंतजाम है दिल्ली पुलिस की ओर से?
इसमें आज का जो भी उनका प्रोग्राम था कि लेफ्टिनेंट गवर्नर से जाकर के विज्ञापन दें उनको, तो ये बहुत ही सुचारू रूप से चल रहा है। बॉर्डर के से और दिल्ली के अन्य जगहों से कुछ लोग आए हैं और उनको माननीय राज्यपाल जी से मुलाकात करा दिया गया है और बहुत ही व्यवस्थित रूप से चल रहा है।
सर, एक इंटेलिजेंस अलर्ट भी था कि कुछ असामाजिक तत्व इस बीच में घुसकर कुछ अफरा तफरी मचाने की कोशिश कर सकते हैं, उसको लेकर दिल्ली पुलिस के पास क्या सूचना थी, क्या तैयारी है?
देखिए, ऐसी इंफॉर्मेशन या चीजें तो हमेशा हम संज्ञान लेके रखते हैं और उसका इंतजाम भी करते हैं। तो आज ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ। जैसा कि मैंने कहा कि बहुत ही सुचारू रूप से चल रहा है, सब चीज अंडर कंट्रोल है।
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.